If you are hoping to learn how to shoot comedy skits, then you have come to the right place, because that is exactly what I am going to be addressing in this particular video. Truth be told, what I'm going to be sharing are guidelines and not rules. Early philosophers like Aristotle and Plato have all attempted to define or to quantify what comedy is or what comedy entails. And some other philosophers later on in the 2011-2010s have all attempted to define what makes something really funny. Unfortunately, even these recent theorists still fall short, just like those before them. And I entreat you to watch the video till the end, because at the end I'm going to be reacting to some comedy skits that have been done in the past. Contrary to popular belief, comedy is not just anything that just makes people laugh, but beneath the laughter is usually subtle messages that you can carry out to your audience. The first step into making something funny is to suspend natural order. For example, an order in nature is that a donkey must carry a man, and so when you see a man carrying a donkey, rather, you have just violated the natural order, and this can tend to be a very funny scenario. Create incongruous situations, or you can say incongruity. This word sounds megalocious, but what does this word truly mean? So let's say, for example, I'm telling you a story about how I'm going to kill you, this is my weapon. Then all of a sudden, I pull this out as my weapon. This can actually generate laughter because it is so incongruous. There is a clear mismatch to what I said and what I am doing. The other point we should also take note of is to ridicule human flaws. Let's say fat. Fat is a universal thing which people tend to hide to do when they are alone. And so when you see this being played in front of you, you tend to laugh because that is one of your flaws that is being thrown back right into your face. Another way could be that someone is running and falls down, and instead of you developing sympathy for the person, you begin to laugh. Meanwhile, deep down your heart, you exactly know that you could have been the one falling, and that is what makes it funny. Let's talk about the sponsor of this video, which is you watching this video right now, because you have been sponsoring this video with your like button. And if you haven't sponsored us yet, please make sure to sponsor us by clicking the like button so that other people can get to see this video on YouTube. Now that we've learned all this, let's see how we can put all of this thing into practice. Okay. Right. First of all, the intensity at which the water splashes on his face is unreal, and that by itself makes this video already so funny. And so that by itself is already incongruous, or you can also see it as a break of natural order, because people don't sit around this kind of areas to beg. Huh? No, 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 no. All of you can attest to the fact that we all do have stomach issues. So seeing someone having a running stomach already makes us laugh, because once again, that is one of our flaws that is being played right in front of our eyes. No, 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 no. The issue about pity and relatability also comes in. Now, if you're from a poor area in the world, you do understand that some people do have compound houses or areas where you do line up or you do queue to go to toilet. And so seeing this being played in front of you also tends to make this very funny. No, 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 no. Huh? Huh? And also, as you can see, the use of those kind of extravagant kind of exaggerations also all help out in this particular scenario in making this feel very funny. Okay, so now this is just a clear example of what we were talking about, the incongruity. We all anticipated that he's probably running to the scene or probably going to jump into a car or maybe some sophisticated kind of equipment. But just watch what he jumps into. And this for me is that kind of suspense element and also very incongruous in nature. Okay, this is much more better. But the turning in itself is funny. And this is really so unrealistic, guys, but that is humor. That is all what adds up to the funny nature of the whole thing. You know.
Oh no!
As he's tearing up the shirt, we are expecting to see this kind of very muscular person who is going to fight, but when he tears the shirt, we see this very skinny man, and that by itself is really very funny. This kind of breaks all expectations, guys, and that is why this turns out to be very funny. At the end of the day, when they are ridiculing someone or if it's about somebody, it's going to be funny until you are the one being ridiculed. And at the same time, others will find it very amusing. But now that you are equipped with all of these tricks, go out there, write your next comedy skit. And I know when you are beginning, you would have access to just one camera. And I have specifically designed this particular video for you right here to check out how to shoot a video using just one camera. That is it. Until next time, as always, keep practicing filmmaking. Peace out.